Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how the Cronus Zen works with Call of Duty Vanguard. Let's jump into the video. Okay guys, first we're going to try with the Mg42. Okay, let's see. Here in the wall, see the pattern, right? Well, this is without the Cronus Zen, natural aim. Let's try. We can see. Okay. All right. With Cronus Zen. You can see here. Let's see. Pretty much almost perfect. Look at that. Look at the pattern. All right. MP40. Okay, MP40, right? MP40. No Cronus Zen. Natural aim, normal aim. Let's see the pattern, how I start shooting here, go all completely to the roof. Okay, now. Cronus Zen on. There's a difference, right? And for those people going to ask, oh yeah, but it still moved to the right. Yeah, you can actually control that as well. I just have the Cronus Zen with the default settings. I don't even control nothing here. I don't even work with the values or nothing. No. I leave all the numbers and the values in default. The way that the pack comes. So pretty much, guys, this is the difference with natural aim versus Cronus Zen with the MP40. Okay, in this case we're going to try with the Mg42. Shooting on the wall. This is the natural aim. Pattern. The pattern. Okay, Mg42 with Cronus Zen. You can see, you still have recoil, in this case down. So you can see the difference in what actually the Cronus Zen make the gun to do. Once again, this is not perfect, but I leave all the settings on default. You can play with the settings, with the values, and you can adjust that way aim like perfectly. So yeah, that's it for in this example with the Mg42. Right. Natural aim, in this case with the, looks like the Thompson, M1928. M1928. Natural aim. This one have a lot of recoil. Okay. Now let's see with Cronus Zen. Okay, Anti Recoil on. Let's try this. Okay, as you can see, once again, that's what I tried to explain here. Cronus Zen is not perfect. You can still control the values. That way you can make it even better, the recoil. Clearly you can see natural aim all the way up with the Cronus all the way onto here. think, yeah, this is it. Yeah, meet me guys on the outro. Alright, in this case, we're going to try with the bar. Oh, right here. This is without nothing, just natural aim. Alright. Right now, we're going to activate the anti-recoil mode on. So, in this case, with the bar, with Cronus Zen. Let me do that again, just in case, to have the whole magazine. So we can see the difference. Way better. Once again, this is with Cronus Zen, this is natural aim. It's not perfect, but it's better. It's going to help you. To control the recoil better. So this example was with the bar. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to, it's free. And yeah, see you guys in the next time.